In the world of natural wonders, Venezuela's Catatumbo lightning stands out. This spectacular phenomenon features a continuous lightning storm that occurs over Lake Maracaibo up to 260 nights a year, producing astonishing visual displays. Scientists attribute its incessant lightning to unique geographical and meteorological conditions, including warm air currents and moisture from the lake. This thunderstorm plays a significant role in enhancing atmospheric ozone, even affecting weather patterns beyond the region. Highlighting the delicate balance of these natural phenomena, it underscores the necessity of environmental awareness and preservation to maintain Earth's diverse marvels in the face of climate change.